Hey everyone, it's Andrew with MIBOR Realtor Association, and today we're talking about the SentriKey app. Downloading it on your device, the process of setting it up, and then the very easy way to use the app to open all generations of the SentriLock lockbox. So of course, the first thing you'll want to do is install the app. The title of the app is SentriKey Real Estate. Once downloaded and installed, you'll need to put in your login information. Now it's important to understand that your login ID is actually your member number -MIBOR, and then you'll be using the same password you use to log into the BLC. Once logged in, you'll be prompted with a standard user agreement. You'll need to select Agree. First up, you'll be prompted by the Enable Location Services. Now this is absolutely essential for functionality of the app, so you'll need to select Allow. Next up will be push notifications, which is simply a security measure. Now this isn't essential for functionality, so you can go ahead and select yes or no to that. And then after that is going to be your Face ID, which is a security measure, but not essential. And finally, the last is the home screen layout, and this is your guide to the layout of the home screen. This will always be available to you as the information icon at the top right of the home screen. First up is the silver Gen 1 lockbox. Now because the Gen 1 lockbox doesn't have Bluetooth capabilities, I'll need to get into it using the serial number. You'll find the serial number on the side of the lockbox. Then I'll select View Nearby Properties. In the blank field, I'll type in the serial number. And once I've entered the serial number, it'll then ask me for my PIN. And then once I've successfully inputted my PIN, then it'll assign a one-day code for that lockbox. From there, I'll hit Enter on the keypad, enter in the one-day code, and then hit Enter again, and that'll open the key port. Next up will be the blue NXT lockbox. Now this is going to be the exact same process we used for the silver Gen 1 because it does not have Bluetooth capabilities, so we'll need to open this lockbox using the serial number on the side. Put in the serial number, then once again it'll ask for your PIN. Once PIN is successfully inputted, it'll give you a one-day code for that lockbox. Hit Enter on the keypad of the lockbox, put in your one-day code, and then hit Enter again, and that'll open up your key port. Last up is the Bluetooth wireless lockbox. This process will be easier because this lockbox has Bluetooth capabilities. Press Enter on the lockbox. It'll then prompt you to enter your PIN. Once you successfully entered your PIN, the lockbox will open. And it's just that easy. Now of course, if you have any further questions, you can always contact us here at MIBOR at 317-956-1912, or you can email us at helpdesk@miborsupport.com, or you can call the SentriLock call center at 513-618-5800. Thanks for watching.